What is up, guys? Welcome to Red 5L. Today we're going to show you how to get rid of the service tire mobility kit message that you have on your Mustangs. This applies for other Ford vehicles as well, but we're going to use the Mustang as the example. As you know, Ford doesn't offer the spare tire kit on every single Mustang. There is an option where you can get it equipped, but most of them aren't equipped with it. So they do give you a service tire mobility kit, which basically has a reminder listing every few years, depending on what you want to set it to, that just to make sure the kit itself is inspected. Now let me turn on the car so you can see the message that I'm talking about. So let's do that, and you'll see as it rolls. So the full accessory power here. Here you go. So you can see the service tire mobility kit, and I can hit OK. It will go away. But it's kind of annoying because every time you start the car, you have to see this message, and all I can do is press OK. But today we're going to show you how to fix this. I had the digital dash, so there might be a little different. I have the digital dash, so I have this pony button here, but you can go through your settings menu. But if I click the pony button right here, actually before I show you how to reset it, it is important to actually check the kit. The reason I say that, if you do a lot of road trips or just drive your car often, you do want to make sure that the kit itself is in good condition. I have not used mine, but I'll show you where it is so you know where to inspect it. Just in case you don't have roadside assistance, you don't want to be caught with a bad tire and have a service tire mobility kit. That's just not useful. There's a reason that these reminders are in place. All right, so let's go take a look at where you can find the service tire mobility kit. Okay, so you have to get the trunk open, and this is where you're gonna lift this up, and you can see the actual service tire mobility kit. You can see mine is still sealed. That's why I'm not worried about it. I haven't used it at all. But you just want to make sure, if you do have the spare tire, this is where it would be. But most Mustangs don't come with it for cost savings or weight reduction, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you just want to inspect it, especially if you're doing a lot of road trips. You don't want to be caught in a road trip and just having a bad tire and your kit is just not working. So now that we've verified that the service tire mobility kit is in good condition, in my case it's still brand new sealed, we can actually delete this reminder so you don't have to look at it every time you start the car. All right, so we're gonna cycle through this. So we're gonna actually press this one, not the pony button. I misspoke earlier. This is just for the customization of the gauge. So we're gonna press the settings button. You can see right here, I'm gonna press it. So it will bring me into this menu, and we're gonna scroll down, go to advanced settings, hit OK. Once you're there, you want to click on vehicle, and then you want to scroll down again, and you're going to find this tire mobility kit. So this is the tire mobility kit. When you click on it, mine is set to 4 years, which means every 4 years or so it's going to give me a reminder, although it's been almost 5 years, and that's the first time I got the reminder. So I don't know if it's too accurate, but that's where you can change it up. Some of them might be set to 1 or 2 years. So to reset it effectively, you're going to go back and just kind of play with it. I'm gonna just move a couple settings, and then put it back to 4 years. So now when we turn off the car, it should go away. So we're gonna turn it off. I'm just gonna open the door just to kind of really turn off the car, because the screen's gonna be on for now. All right, so I turn it back on, and the light should be gone, or the reminder should be gone. So you got full power accessory, that is fine. To start, press brake, that is fine. And we don't have the service tire mobility kit anymore. So as you saw from this video, it's very easy to clear out this service tire mobility kit message. You just want to make sure when you're actually clearing it, you are inspecting the actual kit itself. Because if you're not inspecting the kit and there's issues with it, you don't want to be caught in that. I keep repeating that, but it is very useful. It is a reminder for a good reason. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to reset the service tire mobility kit message on your Mustang or any Ford vehicle for that matter. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like this video. And of course, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.